obvious answer is going to be with light. And there's many, many different types of light. There could be natural light, windows, skylights. And then of course there's artificial light. And in the artificial light realm, there's so many different options. And depending upon the room and its functional use and what's going on in the space that we want to highlight, the light will be used to support that. Of course, materials and finishes will help lighten up the space as well. So mirrors, of course, polished surfaces, light colored materials with perhaps some metallic element to them, all could give brightness and light to a space. It's all part of a bigger objective and story that you're trying to tell with your space. And you need, of course, to recognize the functionality as well as how it looks and feels.